Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Jo from Plan to Create. In this video, yes, I made another Hobonichi order, so I'm going to unbox that and we will set it up. Okay, so I've just cut the sticky tape. We'll see what we have inside. I might just grab it all out. We'll get the box out of the way. Okay, so I have caved and gotten an A6 Techo and a few other little bits and pieces. Okay, so we'll start with our cover. Okay, I can't remember the name of it. It was a while ago that I ordered it, and it's actually been sitting in the box for quite a few days. So this is the cover that I got. So we have this sort of light bright blue with a peachy pink on the inside, and the normal, let's get in a little bit, little leathery, what would you call those little bits? Toggles on the end of your bookmarks. Excuse me. Now, I did purchase two cover on cover for it. Now, this one, I'll open it up. It has some illustrations on it, but I'm not going to use this one to start off with. So just to show you over the top, I think that will look really pretty when I decide to use it. But I'm going to put, please excuse me, I think I'm a bit congested today for some reason. Okay, so we're going to use the clear cover on cover. I'll put in the back first. Now, I wanted the clear one because I have a bucket load of journaling cards from shops that you get with freebies, or I've purchased some, and I would like to put one in the front. So obviously it is not going to, the A6 ones aren't going to cover the whole cover, but we'll just go through a few. So this one says, create your own rainbow every day. You're a top quality. These are from Marshmallow Studios. I suppose we could do, excuse me, the Christmas one, because we are hitting Christmas. Well, when I say we are, it's like 2 days away. Okay, so we'll just pop that in there. I probably will have to fiddle with that once we get this in. So we need to push it down a little bit. There we go. So that will be my cover for Christmas. Now, because I've got so many of these journal cards, I can change the cover every day if I want to. Okay, so I got the A6 Techo Avec, which is that the book is split into two. Now, I really love bound books, but I find that if you use the original size and have the full year all together, they get so chunky. So we'll have to put that one away. And so I will have January in here, or January to June. And I also thought I'd try, I've never used this before. This is the week's supplement. So, which is just basically a mini version of the cousin. So yeah, so I'm going to use this in conjunction with the dailies in the A6. But where do I put it? Shall I put it in there? How does that feel? Yeah, that's not too bad. That's where I'll leave it to start with. Let's see. Now, with the A6, you get your usual freebies. So you get your little spoon and your pen, which is Unijet Stream 0.5 blue, black and red ink. I love these pens, but I don't like the 0.5, so I might actually change them out because I did get some 07s in recently. And this is another product that I haven't purchased before. These are book darts. Let's just grab one off. They're extremely thin. And I don't know if you're going to be able to see, but there is a tiny little flippy bit here to assist putting it on a page. So let's just test it out here. Where do we start? Okay, so we'll start on the first. Oh, that was easy. That slid on really well. I thought they might have been difficult to put on just because of the Tomoe River paper being so thin. But because of that little tiny lip at the back, that's awesome. So how many did I get there? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So I will pop these. I might leave them in the plastic actually and just pop them in here. Okay, so I'll get these other things out of the way. Now what else I would like to do is we'll put some things in the side pockets here. Now I have this is just a photo album that I've kept a lot of die cuts in. And I do have some from the Coffee Monsters Co. Let's see. Here they are. I wanted to see if I could fit any of these in. I could pop that like that, and then there we go. And then where can we put this one? Maybe there. And what else do we have? I've got my Marshmallow Studios little album here. And let's see. No, they all get covered when you put them in. Might have to use a bigger one. If I do that, then pop that up there. And then I also have this 2022 die cut sticker, but I might just, or should I put it, no, I might put it over on the inside cover at the back. I wonder, let's see if we can do this without having to take the cover off. Silly me. Of course, these come with a little back opening, which I forgot because there's a pocket on the back. So I can, that'll probably need a lot of adjusting over time, and then try and squish this back closed. Yes, it's a little bit crooked, but I will fix it up later when it's off camera. So that can be the back cover and then the front. Now that's going to move around a bit, so I don't know what I will do in regards to that. I don't know. I did have some Christmassy die cuts, but I think they were actually stickers. So I might grab just a couple of my little Christmas ones, just to give it a little bit of extra decoration. It's a bit awkward, but so we'll pop one there, and we'll pop one up here, and hopefully they will stick. It's the best part about these, using the clear cover on cover. You can just do whatever you like and as often as you like. Still don't know about that. Let's have a look and see if we've got any more die cuts that we can use. Might be a bit big, that one. I do love that. Okay, I've got a couple of mine here. I just want to have a little bit of colour. Alright, so we might leave that one in there. And then let's try, that's not a bad one because it just pops out enough. So I think that might do. And then I will pop in one of my shop business cards. And I think that might do for the pockets. Now, I don't know whether I'm going to cover the yellow or if I should just go over the top with stickers. I wish you could help me and tell me what you think, whether to cover it or just put stickers. Oh, these decisions, they're very difficult. Don't know. So what I'll do is I'm going to put this one just on the inside there, because I will put that on the front whether or not I cover this to remove the yellow or not. And I think that's where I might leave it. So where did I pop the pen? We'll open the pen up. Now while we've got the pen, I should have a look and see if, where does it open? There we go. Oh, beautiful. I think the the refills that I got will fit in there. So let's grab one and we'll test it. So this is an 07. Beautiful. So the black I know is my 07 refill. And let's grab a piece of paper and just make sure that it all works. Beautiful. And then we'll pop that in here. So if you didn't know, you've got 2 pen loops, which you can either use for 2 pens or use as a closure. So then you can't open up your cover. So there we go. That's cute. I like it. I like it. So I'll pop this refill back into the 07 plastic and just mark that it's an 05. So I don't lose it, just in case I do decide that I want to try a thinner pen nib. I doubt it, but you never know. You never know. Okay, well, thank you for stopping by and having a look at my extra Hobonichi that I ordered. I hope you all have a wonderful Christmas, safe and happy and healthy, and an awesome new year. Just to give you a quick preview, my next video I'm going to be doing my 2022 planners that I'm using, and just to quickly show you, This is a Hobonichi weekly cousin that I have made. I cut up my cousin. I chopped it up. So now I have a thin little book, but I will go through and show you how I did that and all that sort of stuff in my next video for you. So just a little preview of what's coming up next. Alrighty, love it if you could give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you would like. I would really appreciate it. And I'll see you soon with another one. Bye.